The farm show is the biggest agricultural event in the state, and so it happens usually first or second week of January, where vendors come from across the state, performers, cattle, horses, all sorts of fun stuff occurs during this week where they showcase different great points in agriculture. So we wanted to bring the aquaponics lab so we can talk about hydroponics, aquaponics, and aeroponics, and how that is a growing industry in the state of Pennsylvania. So CCA, because we are a cyber charter school, we have physical facilities across the state. Ours actually has a 6,100 square foot grow lab, and we also have a mobile lab. So students can kind of choose their own adventure on what they're most interested in. If they want to do everything online, they can do so from the comfort of their home. But if they want to come in for that in-person hands-on experience, we can deploy our lab across the state, or they can come to our big lab in Harrisburg. So we're really excited this week to be able to showcase an example of one of the student experiments that they did in our main facility called the Happy and Sad Plant experiment. So right now we have mint and marigold planted on the mobile lab, and we're talking to guests from Farm Show about all the great work that our students, student interns, students coming in for activities, volunteering have done to make sure that that experiment is successful.